Final Cut Camera is a professional camera app for iPhones and iPad. This is the official app from Apple that gives you full control of your camera and lets you record professional videos. This camera app works on all the iPhones running on iOS 17.4 or later. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install and use Final Cut Camera on your iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now, tap on the search option on the bottom right corner. Here, search for Final Cut Camera. You will see these results. Open it. Now, tap on this option and this will install Final Cut Camera on your iPhone. Once done, tap on the open button. Tap on continue. After this, tap on continue again. Select allow. Select allow again. After this, tap on allow while using the app. So as you can see, now I can use Final Cut Camera on my iPhone 16. This gives me full control of the video I record. Also, I can access this app from the home screen. So this is how you can install and use Final Cut Camera on your iPhone. I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.